Hi guys, welcome to my Scottish channel. This is Robin, and Daryl is taking a break, and I'm going to finish out this hurricane blowout sale, and so let's get started. This is the cutest thing ever. It's a doggy collar. What does it say? Honette paws or Monet paws, I don't know, but it's very cute. And it's clean, and we're going to do it for $3. I hope some sweet little tiny dog gets it. Very cute. The next is some earrings. They are screw back, silver tone. I usually don't sell my screw backs and my clip earrings. I'm starting to hoard them, but anyway, I'm going to sell these for $3. And I don't see any marks on them, but they are very, very clean, even on the backs. Here's the fronts. Very unique. $3. The next is stretchy bracelets. We have a peachy one with a gold tone setting. They're all there. And then we have another gold tone setting, a pretty pink. I'm checking to make sure all the rhinestones are there, and they're there. Very cute. We'll do both of these for $4. Okay, what's next? I have a pair of hoop earrings. And they are, I don't know. I'm going to give these freebie for anybody who places an order with this blowout. You can claim these. They're free. Free, free, free. And the next one we have is this bracelet. Tree of Life, faux pearl. It's got some wording on this. Love beyond words, live every moment. And what does this say? Live every moment. Yeah, love beyond words. It's magnetic. The inside is very clean. There, it clips there. Well, it did. Okay, it's been detached from the magnet here. So this magnet has to be glued back in. It got detached. Yep, and that's why it's not closing. Well, I will sell this as is. You can glue that magnet right back in. You have a perfect bracelet. And we'll sell this for $2. But you'll have to fix it. $2. $2. Okay, we have these little earrings here. Little Roman earrings. Pretty drops. Those are gorgeous. They drop about 2 inches. We'll do these for $4. I think I paid $5 for them. Okay, we have a ring. Let's do a ring. A rose. It's a little worn. It is adjustable. It's a vintage ring. It is a size, adjusted to a size 6 right now. That's why it would fit me so well. We'll do that for $3. This is these are Monets. I love these. They're a star. They have the Monet backs to them. And here's the backs. These are in excellent condition. They're both marked Monet, and these backs are marked Monet. We're going to do these for $10. We have some Chaps earrings in the black. We'll do those for $3. They're post earrings. We have some stone earrings. We have the little hearts. And then we have these little green earrings, and I'm not sure what kind of stone they are. They kind of look like malachite to me. They're very heavy. Let you look at it and decide. These are so cute. Let me bring these up in my hand and maybe you can see. There you go. Yeah, see, I'm not sure if those are malachite or what. Very pretty, very cold. And then the little hearts. We're going to do both these as a set for $5. These are little post earrings with the heart and the pearl. We'll do those for $2. We'll do these for $1 with the little peacock feather and sort of an animal print combo. We'll do these for $3, silver tone. We'll do these for $2, manatees. And we pull these out because they're scrunchied up. Scrunchied up. We'll do these. Aren't they beautiful? We'll do those for $2. Tagua nuts. Tagua nuts I did find on the cruise ship this last time. They had some beautiful pieces. But here's the Tagua nut. We'll do those for $1. They weren't $1 on the ship, on the cruise ship. I think they were like $15. But they were very pretty, very different. They had some unique designs. And we have these. Aren't those cool? Very pretty glass. I think that's glass. Almost looks like blown glass. I don't know. It could be acrylic. We'll do these for $2. Very pretty. Alrighty. There's all those. What else? We have this little flower pendant. Got mirrored and the beveled edges and the rhinestones in the middle. There's your bell back there. We'll do that one for $1. We have some sweater clips. Here's one pair. There's another. That. And then this one. And we will do those for $20. Here's the backs. You can see these are in very good condition. I feel like sometimes I need those. Sometimes when I wrap up in a blanket and then I get up to do something, I wish I had something to clamp the blanket around me. And I could do that with those. Next are some more dangle beaded earrings. Very pretty. Love the colors. We'll do those for $3. They're just gorgeous. Glass beads. I guess they're glass or either Stone, I don't know. They're very cold. We'll say glass. We have a pendant. A little fairy pendant. Here's the back. We'll do this one for $2. We have another pendant, I believe it's pewter. Very unusual. It's got something written down there. Sweden. And something else. It's got like a B or something. B, D, or BA, but it does say Sweden there. We'll do that one for $5. Very cool. We have some clip-on hoops in silver tone, 1-inch hoops, good size, nice size, very pretty. That's the width. Pretty everyday, $3. Oh, let's see. Have some little post earrings here. They're enameled, or either ceramic enameled. I'm not sure. They are marked on the back. And we'll do these for $1. They will have backs put on them and cleaned. We have these pretty blue earrings. We'll do those for $1. Okay, let's see. We have some fishy earrings, Angelfish. Very cute. They'll have backs put on them, and they are signed back here. They need some cleaning. They got sort of some yellowing. And they feel like they're clay, but I'm not sure. But very cute. We'll do those for $3. Let's see. Next pair of earrings I have are these. They have a worn metal look to them. Kind of silverish. May just need polishing. I need to see if those are marked in there. So let me take a look at that real quick. Not sure. don't think I see any markings. But they're pretty, and we'll do these for 2. Come on. The next is a little rhinestone bracelet. It's got ambered and clear colored rhinestone colors with a spring ring clasp. See if I see anything on the clasp. No, I don't. Let's see how long this is. Very pretty, very dainty. Six and a quarter inches. We'll do that for 3. Let's see, have I done an update on Edgar Allan Crow? Has become the mascot for Carolina Waterfowl Rescue, even though he's not a waterfowl. But they would not release him back. They had to, he wasn't able to fly again. But he's healed. He had a broken leg and a wing. These are $1. And but he's doing well where he's at, and they've got another crow they rescued, and they put a prosthetic beak on that that poor crow lost its beak. Its upper part of its beak. And they put a prosthetic beak on him. And it's all done through volunteer work. So I donated to them for Edgar. I'll probably send them another donation too. Pretty little earrings. I'm not sure if these are stone or not. They are lever backs. We'll do these for 2. The next one is a tiny little ring with a stone in it. It's not magnetic. See if there's anything in there that I can. It's like a twisted design. It's very pretty little ring. It is a size 8 1/4. We'll do it for $1. This is going to be a freebie for anyone who claims it that made a purchase under this hurricane sale. And I think I'm just going to do freebies on out here. Here's another pair of freebies. Oops. I've got them separated so they'll stay nice and pretty. Tomatoey red. Just gorgeous. I did have them for $4. They're free now. If you made a purchase, you can claim it. I've got these. That's a lot of earrings. Pretty pearl color disc. Rhinestone in pink. More pearls in here. These two go together. And I think I got them matched up pretty good. These are going to be a freebie for anybody who ordered. You just have to claim it. I did have them for $3. This is just a coin piece. Balboa. A freebie. These two bracelets will be freebies. Here's another freebie. Stretchy. Here's a little smiley face freebie. These are so cute, little clogs, earrings. We'll do those as a freebie for the lot. This is my way of saying thank you. And we'll do these. These are a lot. I like these. Very colorful. This lot is a freebie. If you make a purchase, you can claim some freebies. Please be considerate of others that might want to claim too, that may not see it at the moment you see it. But claim what you want and don't worry about it. And I have one more pair. Make these a freebie. Wishful Park. Here's the back. They're in good shape. And that's a freebie. Alright guys, that's it. That was everything. And I appreciate you watching. If you like these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up. Help me grow the channel. It's kind of staled off since the last giveaway. I had a giant giveaway when I hit 1,000. And if you're new here, welcome. And thank you guys for your continued support. And have a nice evening. And we'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be Shop Goodwill box. Bye now.